Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn vehicle's name. Introduction. Vroom vroom, let's go on a ride. Car, buses, trains and bikes. So many ways to move. Some zoom on road, some fly in the sky, and some float on water. Get ready to explore all kind of vehicles with us. Are you ready? Buckle up and let's begin the journey. Car. It's a car. Bus. It's a bus. Truck. It's a truck. Van. It's a van. Motorcycle. It's a motorcycle. Scooter. It's a scooter. Cycle. It's a cycle. Tractor. It's a tractor. Train. It's a train. Tram. It's a tram. Jeep. It's a jeep. Pickup truck. It's a pickup truck. Auto rickshaw. It's a auto rickshaw. Bulldozer. It's a bulldozer. Ambulance. It's a ambulance. Fire truck. It's a fire truck. Police car. It's a police car. SUV. It's a SUV. Forklift. It's a forklift. Cement mixture. It's a cement mixture. Aeroplane. It's an aeroplane. Helicopter. It's a helicopter. Hot air balloon. It's a hot air balloon. Glider. It's a glider. Fighter jet. It's a fighter jet. Cargo plane. It's a cargo plane. Drone. It's a drone. Space shuttle. It's a space shuttle. Boat. It's a boat. Ship. It's a ship. Yacht. It's a yacht. Sailboat. It's a sailboat. Submarine. Canoe. It's a canoe. Jet ski. It's a jet ski. Ferry. It's a ferry. Speedboat. It's a speedboat. Raft. It's a raft. Snowmobile. It's a snowmobile. Golf cart. It's a golf cart. Limousine. It's a limousine. Monster truck. It's a monster truck. Garbage truck. It's a garbage truck. Tank. It's a tank. Excavator. It's an excavator. Road roller. It's a road roller. Dump truck. It's a dump truck. Horse cart. It's a horse cart. Taxi. It's a taxi. Hi kids, I am your friend Honey Bunny. I hope you are enjoying the video. Please subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel.